Welcome back to the channel, guys. Pitbull Garage. Today we are at the track on last Friday of Grudge Night. And look what we got here. We got old Pearly May, the Turbo Stang, and then I know you remember that, the Scat Pack. I'm gonna put the link in there so you can see the whole build and what's all done to that one. Of course, you already know that one, so they about to hit the track and see what they can do. Let's go. Look like old Craig and Pearly May again, back at it.
At least that's my ideology. You want to get his full respect from him.
Number 6. Alrighty, back from a couple passes. Willie,
I got a 12-second car, but hey, I'm proud of it.
Let's look at them time slips.
Yeah, man. Hey, 12 second, running some shitty ass 60 foot. Look at them shitty ass 60 foot. I could get that. I could get that down though.
Oh yeah.
But look at that mile per hour on that one though. Shitty ass, but still 119.
Oh yeah.
So it's got something in it. It's just a driver mod.
And Craig, what's your personal best tonight?
Yep.
What you do?
11,372 at 121.52.
Woo-wee, that's an all motor scat.
Yeah. Right, Craig out here doing damage, boy.
Oh yeah, the car's in there putting in work for the last day.